Welcome. This video will guide you through replacing brake pads on your Tesla Model 3, both front and rear. While Teslas use regenerative braking, pads still wear and need replacement. We'll cover everything from tools needed to step-by-step instructions, ensuring a safe and effective DIY experience. Keep in mind, Tesla recommends professional service to ensure warranty compliance and safety, especially with software-integrated components. Before we start, gather these essential items: a jack-and-jack stands or a Tesla-approved wheel lift, a lug wrench, a C-clamp for compressing the brake piston, brake caliper tools especially for the rear, new brake pads with OEM part numbers 134888000A for front and rear, brake rotors if resurfacing is needed, brake fluid, and anti-seize lubricant. Safety first. Park your Model 3 on a level surface and engage the parking brake. It's also a good idea to disconnect the 12-volt battery for added safety, although this isn't always required. Loosen the lug nuts on the wheels you'll be working on before lifting the car. This makes removal easier once the car is in the air. To begin front brake pad replacement, use the jack-and-jack stands to safely lift the front of your Tesla Model 3 and remove the wheels. Ensure the vehicle is on a flat surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Next, locate the brake caliper on each front wheel. There are 2 bolts per side securing the caliper. Use your lug wrench to carefully unbolt them. Be sure to support the caliper to prevent it from hanging by the brake hose. With the caliper loose, use a C-clamp to carefully compress the brake piston back into the caliper housing. This creates space for the new, thicker pads. Compress slowly to avoid damaging the piston or seals. Now remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. Clean any debris from the bracket, then install the new pads in the same orientation. Ensure the pads seat properly against the rotor. Finally, reassemble the caliper over the new pads and secure it with the 2 bolts. Use a torque wrench to tighten the bolts to exactly 80 foot-pounds. This ensures proper clamping force and prevents brake vibration. The rear brakes are similar to the front, but with an extra step for the electronic parking brake system. Before starting, ensure the parking brake is disengaged. This prevents tension on the cables during removal. You might need to pull the handbrake lever inside the vehicle to fully release the cable and ease access. The rear calipers may require a specific tool for piston rotation. This tool helps compress the piston properly. Compress the piston using the tool, then swap the old pads with new ones. Ensure proper alignment. Reassemble the caliper and brake components. Make sure the electronic parking brake is functioning correctly after reassembly. After installing the new brake pads, start by pumping the brakes several times to reset the caliper pistons. This pushes the pistons back into position against the new pads. If air has entered the brake lines during the replacement, bleed the system to remove air bubbles. This ensures proper brake pressure and prevents spongy pedal feel. Check your Tesla app or use a diagnostic tool to reset any brake warning lights that may have appeared on the dashboard. This clears false alerts from the vehicle's system. Finally, take the car for a test drive. Perform several gentle stops from low speeds to bed in the new brake pads, ensuring they seat properly against the rotors. Always inspect your rotors for scoring or damage and resurface or replace them if needed. Scored rotors can compromise braking performance and safety. Avoid grinding the pads during piston compression, as this can cause ECU faults. Use the proper tool carefully to prevent damage to the braking system. Be mindful of Tesla's brake-by-wire system. Models from 2022 onwards may require calibration via the touch screen or service mode to sync the hydraulic and electric braking systems. Failure to calibrate can trigger ABS errors. Always perform the calibration step on the touchscreen or in service mode after replacement. Looking ahead to future trends in EV brake maintenance, expect more emphasis on optimizing regenerative braking systems to significantly extend brake pad life. There's a growing trend toward eco-friendly brake pads that reduce environmental impact through sustainable materials and reduced dust production. AI-assisted repair apps are becoming more common, providing step-by-step guidance and diagnostics to make maintenance easier for owners. Future Tesla superchargers may feature robotic service bays that can perform automated brake pad swaps quickly and accurately. By 2030, fully electric braking systems could eliminate the need for traditional brake pads altogether, revolutionizing vehicle maintenance.